नाट्यशास्त्र षड्विंशाध्याये चित्रा अभिनयः। चित्रा अभिनय प्रभातादि विविध विषयाणाम् अभिनयाः। आकाशवचनादीनां नामानि जनान्तिका पवारितकयोरभिनयविधिः। अभिनयस्य पात्रस्वभाव अनुकूलत्वम्। नाट्यशास्त्र chapter 26 varied representation, day, night and seasons etc., objects on the ground, moonlight, happiness and air etc., the sun, dust and smoke etc., the midday sun, pleasant objects, sharp objects, deep and exalted feeling, necklace and flowers etc., the idea of entirety, audible or visible objects, lightning and shooting stars etc., repugnant objects, hot wind and heat etc., lions and bears etc., worshipping superiors, numerals, umbrellas and banners etc., memory and meditation etc., height, past and cessation etc., autumn, early winter, winter, spring, summer, rains, rainy night, seasons in general, psychological states, determinants, consequence, general and directions for the representation, men's and women's efforts, women's movements of limbs, meaning of words, joy, anger, jealous anger of women, men's sorrow, men's fear, women's intoxicated condition, parrots and sarikas, big birds, asses and camels etc., bhutas and pishachas etc., getting an invisible person, greeting an invisible person, greeting gods and superior etc., a great crowd and friends etc., mountains and tall trees etc., wide expanse of water, a house and darkness etc., lovesick, cursed and possessed persons, a swing, speaking to the sky, speaking aside, concealed speaking, private personal address, thinking within oneself, speaking in one's ears, cancelled speaking and private personal address, repetition of words, suspension of representation, observing proper psychological states, no movement in the state of dreaming, speech in sleep, speech of the old people, children's word, dying speech, representation of death, death from disease, death from drinking poison, 8 stages in death from poison, thinness, tremor, burning sensation, hiccups, froth in the mouth, breaking of the neck, paralysis, death, general directions, the triple basis of drama, people supplying norm to drama. Here ends chapter 26 of Bharata's Natyashastra, which treats of the varied representation. नाट्यशास्त्राच्या चित्राभिनय नावाच्या 26व्या अध्यायात अनेक प्रकारच्या अभिव्यक्तीसाठी सूर्योदय, सूर्यास्त, वर्षादी ऋतू वगैरे सुचवण्यासाठी कसा अभिनय करावा ते सांगितले असून आकाशभाषिक जनांतिक वगैरेंचे विवेचन केले आहे. स्वप्नायित, मृत्यू, मूर्छा, विषवेग इत्यादींच्या अभिनयाचेही या ठिकाणी वर्णन